Guys, special thank you so much sa aking cook, ang ating maintenance. O sige, niluluto pa lang ang ating pansit. Cook pansit for my birthday. So we decided to cook here outside because in our kitchen not comfortable. Yeah, 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 yeah. Cook, cook, cook. So yan guys, busy. Hindi ko pala nakuna ng video kanina. Dahil birthday ko, ganito yung aking OOTD. At ang sabi ni Jane,
Aba, nadamay na naman ako.
nadama yung walang kasalanan. Ayan. Thank you to my sponsor, dress sponsor. Ayan, Jane Humangit, my friend.
Dress sponsored talaga?
Dress sponsor. Thank you for my dress, Jane Humangit. Paano uli?
Hilahin mo, Jane.
Hilahin daw. Ready na. Do you agree?
Hilahin ko.
My dress is daring.
Parang, ano lang eh, no? Inila.
Ay, aso baka.
Bakal.
Our part place na makuha yung project.
Uy, amin nga.
Walang alam ko ang
Good afternoon, guys. So today is my birthday, 44th birthday. And yung pinakauna kong mga bisita, first visitor is Jane and Rhoda, my kusomba friends. And now I will show you what are my handa. English Tagalog, no? Taglish. So, yan, this is what I prepared for my birthday today. It's the favorite of all time, the Shanghai. And then, this one, the favorite delicacy, the biko. Pansit, we have pansit. Chicken afritada. Wala kang taga-video video mo. Chicken afritada. The Shanghai, the favorite of all. And then the biko, the Big Mac, courtesy of Jane Humangit. Ito, pakita mo ako. And then, the afritada. Oh, favorite na eh. And then, ang pampahaba ng buhay, ang ating pansit. And of course, my cake from California. Thank you so much, Sensational Memories, for the birthday gift, birthday cake. Thank you. Wait lang. Ito, kita mo ko. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for my birthday cake. Sensational Memories, 44th birthday. Very young. Feeling young. And then, of course, and we have the chop suey. And then, unlimited rice. And of course, I have another visitor. My partner in crime. Our Hawa Secretary, may partners in crime. Pero pagdating sa inuman, iiwanan ko yan.
Parang sinasabi mo dati na yung malakas
Hindi niya ako maturuan, hindi niya ako may
Ang dami ko naturuan pa rin sa libat.
Pagkalap, bahala ka dyan. Pagsayawan,
Pero hindi niya ako iniiwanan. Hindi na siya
iniiwanan. Kahit anong oras siya abutin, nandun din ako. Ihahatid ko din, pero hindi niya mapapainom.
Ay, dibilan mo ng ano?
Nang ano?
Wine.
Wala na siya partner na mag-guys.
Tagakanta lang ako, tagakanta. Yan. Thank you once again. Ayan, thank you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. I'm so happy today. Today is my birthday. Thank you and to all the super chatters, super stickers, and those who sponsored me on my channel, on the journey of my channel for 3 years. And they're watching my videos, my live stream, and then my videos, my uploads, the ads. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. And to all the sponsors, and I will not Hindi ko nababanggitin isa-isa. Basta thank you everyone. Thank you to all my sponsors. You know who you are. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Bye! Happy birthday again to me.